This is insane, guys. I just created this amazing looking multi-page website using Claude AI, all for free. And the best part, you can do it too, without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create this professional interior design website, edit it, and then host on a real domain so that you can easily sell it to a real client under their branding for 1000 to 2000 USD. This tutorial is going to be complete beginner friendly. So let's get started. So in order to create a multi-page website like that, you will need to go to ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt that give me a detailed prompt to create 5-page multi-page interior designer website with professional look and feel based in New York, USA, and I need an HTML website. After that, simply hit enter and ChatGPT will do all the heavy liftings and give you the detailed prompt which you can simply copy and paste to Claude AI. So let me simply copy that and let's go to Claude AI, and after that give it a simple prompt again that please follow this prompt to create a professional website. Make sure to use the images from stock website directories like pixel.com or unsplash.com. Okay, and after that simply paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT and hit enter, and Claude will do all the heavy liftings to create a multi-page website for us within minutes. Okay, it will give the zip folder combined with HTML, CSS, and all the other necessary files we might need to run this multi-page website. Okay, so let's wait for it, and our zip file is ready. After that, let me simply click on this download button so that we will be able to download the zip file, and after that let me simply extract this file so that we will be able to access all the files within this website. Okay, so we got all the pages ready from contact, services, studio, works, and index.html for the home page. And check this out, guys, our website is looking insane and amazing. I mean, just look at the quality. We got this custom website built within 2 minutes. Okay, and it's looking insane. The font selection, the images being used from the stock directory websites like Unsplash and Pixels, and they are completely free to use. Okay, so this is how easy it is, and you can simply change everything you want on this website. Just check out the design and sections it has created from just one simple prompt. Okay, and it has done all the enhancement, and we have got this testimonial sections, we got this it's nice CTAs and everything else with a footer which is definitely linked with the pages, for example the contact page, the services, studio, and everything else. So let me show you the contact page, and check this out, guys. This page is also looking fully functional and professional with the nice contact form, and we have got the location section and everything else. Okay, so you can simply create this kind of website for any business you want and sell it to clients for 1000 to 2000 USD based in USA and Europe. So this is how simple it is. Okay, on the studio page it has created a nice section for our director for the interior design business. Okay, her name is Elena Vera, and it has created a nice text copy over here on the right side and pasted the image on the left side, which is fully editable using just simple prompts. You just need to simply go to Claude AI and ask in the simple English that what kind of changes do you want to have on this website. Okay, so you can simply upload new images. You can change this image, for example. You just simply need to go to Claude AI and attach the images from here and ask it to change it. Okay, so this is how simple it is. Amazing, right? So you can change the text, you can change the structure, the design, the colors, and everything else. Okay, so let me show you how can you simply make changes to this website. For example, for now under the follow we have the Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn text links, but I want to have the social media icons rather than text links. So simply go to Claude AI, and after that simply let it know that I want to have the social media icon as the links below the follow text. Okay, on the contact page, and after that simply hit enter, and Claude will do all the heavy liftings with the reference we just asked for, and will do all the modifications. So amazing, we have our updated file ready. Let me simply download it, and after that let me simply extract it again. Okay, and after that let me simply open the contact page directly, and let's scroll down and check the updated section, and check this out, guys. Amazing, we have got our follow icons ready instead of text link this time. So this is how simple it is to edit the website using just prompts. Amazing, right? Let me now show you how can you host this website on a real domain and a real hosting, so that you can simply sell it to any client you want. For that, you will find a link into the description. It's for a hosting company, and you will land on this page. After landing on this page, simply click on view plans, and after that you will be able to see all the hosting plans available for the share hosting. I will suggest you to go with the premium hosting plan or unlimited hosting plan, because it gives you capabilities to host multiple websites. Okay, with the premium plan you will be able to 3 websites, but with the unlimited plan, which is on huge sale right now, you will be able to host unlimited website, and also you will be able to get a free domain for 1 year with 50 GB of NVMe storage. It has also nice features for hosting the WordPress website, the Node.js website, and everything else with the power of AI. Okay, so I will definitely suggest you to go with this plan if you have enough budget. Okay, so let me simply choose the unlimited plan over here, and on the next page you will be able to select the plan duration. So the longer duration you will select, the more discount you will be able to claim. For example, the 48 months plan has more discount than 12-month or 24-month plan, but I will definitely suggest you to go at least with the 12-month plan, so that you can claim one free domain for 1 year. Okay, so you won't need to have to pay extra for the domain name, and it will be included all for free. This is an amazing hosting company with 30-day money back guarantee offering. Okay, so you can simply get your refund done for whatever reason you want. Okay, so let me click on continue button, and on the next page you will be able to register on the hostinger using your Google account, your GitHub account, or any other email address you might have. So let me simply use an email address for me, and after that let me simply register on the hostinger page. You will be able to put a email address and a password which will be used to log in into your hostinger account next time. So make sure to remember that password, and if you forget it, you can simply reset it, no issue. So let me click on the register button. After filling my details, on the next page you will be able to fill your billing address, in which you will be able to put your name, city, address, and everything else. Okay, so after filling these details, you need to simply make the payments using your card or the PayPal account. Okay, so it is very simple. After submitting your payment, you will be able to land on this page. It will ask you where would you like to start. So we are creating a website, so let me simply select the option create a new website, and here it will give you the option to host the PHP HTML website, which is needed for our case, or you can simply host your WordPress or AI powered hosting or AI builder website, also the Node.js. So let me simply select the PHP HTML website, because we have created an HTML website in our case. Okay, so here on the next page you will be able to claim your one free domain. So you need to simply type the domain you want, and after that you will be able to claim it. Okay, so let me simply type the domain I want for this hosting plan. I'm selecting the styles.shop. Okay, and after selecting your domain name, you will land on the dashboard of the hostinger. And if you still didn't claim your domain name because you are unsure about it, that which domain you want, you can do it anytime. Just go to the domain section under here and search for the domain you want. For example, let me search Suraj Verma Tech. Okay, and after that search here, and you will be able to see the lots of domain options available with the multiple extensions. Okay, so you can simply select your free domain over here. Okay, for my case it's showing the price, but for yours, if you haven't claimed your domain yet, it will be available for free. Okay, so after selecting your domain name, it will ask you to simply fill a form with your personal information like name, address, and everything else. So you need to simply submit it and click on the continue button. Okay, and it will ask you to verify your email address. So make sure you go to your email address and click on the verification link to verify your email address for this domain name. Okay, and after that simply click on continue to home, and you will be able to see your domain listed under your domain portfolio. Amazing, right? So this is how you can simply buy the domain and hosting on Hostinger, and we are now ready to upload our website. Okay, so let's go to website sections, and let me simply set up our hosting plan we just purchased. Okay, so it will give you the same steps which we did earlier already. Okay, so let's select the PHP HTML website over over here. Okay, if you already had claimed your domain name, then you might not need to repeat this step, but if someone has forget it, then you simply follow this step again, and after that it will ask you to select your um, server location. So let me simply select the USA Arizona. Okay, United States. Let me simply select the next button, and our hosting setup will be completed, and that particular domain will be now ready to connect into this hosting plan. Okay, so simply click on the connect domain option on the next page, and it will change our name server required as per this hosting plan. Okay, simply click on the connect button, and it will take maximum up to 24 hours to connect this new domain with our current hosting plan we just purchased. Okay, because our domain is new, it takes few hours. Okay, so let me simply wait for few hours, like 7 to 8 hours, and get back to our account again. For example, for now, if you will open your domain, you will see a temporary URL with the default hosting page rather than our real domain. Okay, so let's wait for few hours and get back to it. I am back in my account after few hours, so let's click on websites again, and I think our domain is now ready to use. Okay, let me simply verify it. Let's click on the dashboard over here, and I think our domain is ready. Now let me click on this URL over here for the domain, and let's see how it looks. Okay, amazing. So we can now see the default hostinger page with our real domain name. Amazing. So we can now upload our website for this domain name. Okay, so let me simply go to the files and open the file manager, and here we will be able to upload our website files. Let me click on access files of this particular domain name, the styles.shop. Okay, we have the option to see the files for the another domains if it might be available if you have purchased lots of domain name, for example. Okay, so let me simply open this particular domain name because I want to work on this domain and this file manager. So our file manager has been opened. Now we need to access public_html because this is the location where we are supposed to upload our website files. Okay, so let me simply click on this file uploader arrow over here, and let's select the file upload option. We will upload the GIF file provided by the Claude AI for the website over here, and after that we will simply extract it and open our website. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So let me simply select the GIF file. Let's click on open button over here, and our file will start uploading, and it has been uploaded. So let me simply right click on this GIF file, and let's click on extract button over here, and after that it will ask you to create a folder. Let's create a folder named at website, and it's also showing the location we are navigating at, and as you can see we are navigating at public_html, which is a correct location. Okay, amazing. So our file has been extracted, and we have got our folder websites ready. So let me simply reopen this subfolder under our website, and here are our actual website files. So we need to select all of this, and we need to move these into public_html because this is where these files are supposed to be to run on our current domain. Okay, we are not supposed to put it under the subfolder or subdirectories like under websites or under Mason Vera. Okay, so let me simply select everything by pressing Ctrl A, and after that simply click on this move file arrow. And after that we need to navigate to public_html rather than this long subdirectory. Okay, so we will be able to see the path location over here. We need to simply click on this folder, and the location will be changed automatically. As you can see, we are now navigating to public_html under files. Okay, so that's the correct location. So let me simply click on the move button over here, and all the website files will be moved under public_html. Amazing. So let me simply click public_html and verify the website files, and as you can see all the files are now showing under current location. Amazing. So let me now simply select the website folder and the GIF file we had uploaded because we don't need it, and I have deleted them. Amazing. So our website files are now looking completely clean. So let's go to our domain name and let's refresh our website and check this out, guys. Amazing. I mean, just look at this. We have just uploaded the complete website we made on Claude, and it's now hosted on a real domain, and you can follow the same step to simply host your client's website or your own website, and you can simply sell these kind of websites for 1000 to 2000 USD simply. Okay, and everything has been done using vibe coding. You don't need to have any computer science engineering or degree, or you don't need to have any kind of programming skills. Everything can be done using AI. So what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or any other video request, please make sure to drop that as well. Please like this video, comment on this video, and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their website development journey all for free. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.